Hey everyone, I'm Steph from Sitemate. Manual paperwork for permits can be extensive, and the lack of centralised information leads to data fragmentation and inefficient communications between teams and authorities. Dashpivot's permit management app automates permit processes, streamlining applications, approvals, and renewals with automated workflows and digital submissions. In Dashpivot, you can create a permit template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. I'll run a search here for permits at the top, and you'll be able to see the various options we have across environmental and health and safety. You can preview any of the templates before adding them into your workspace, and remember that everything that you see here is fully customizable once it's been added to your account. You can easily create a permit in your team folders. Our standard permit templates includes fields such as multiple choice lists, tables which include photo attachments, formulas to calculate summary tables at the bottom, as well as worker scan-off sections and approval signatures that are throughout the form. Once saved, the permit will be shown in a workflow view sorted by the various stages, just like this. Our permit management system is designed as a workflow that progresses a form through various stages with automatic notifications to alert relevant parties. For example, you could set up columns for each stage of this Hotworks permit, including when it's planned, verified, relinquished, and then closed. Each stage with its own notification settings to ensure that the relevant people always stay informed. Forms advance to the next workflow stage through the approval signature fields within the template. Once it's been signed, you can see the form progress through the stages. Permits are automatically compiled into a register, where the information from all the forms can be viewed in a table format. You can also use the filters at the top of the columns to find specific permits and export the data as a PDF or CSV format. Within the template editor, you can modify the workflow stages at the top. Here you can specify the number of columns that you need for your permit and name each stage accordingly. You can also implement logic for approval signatures to specify who can sign off at different stages. This feature provides you with greater control over your documents. For example, for this closure signature, I can specify that only an organisation controller has the ability to sign off. Formulas are available to be used in tables to automate calculations, display values, and more. You can also reference multiple tables to create a summary table, just like the one we have in the template here. The list module within Dashpivot can be used as a database with various properties, such as expiration dates, where you can choose to be notified when a set date is approaching. These lists can also be linked and used as drop-down lists or multiple choice lists from within your template forms, such as the type of work list that we have here. As this list is linked to the template, we'll be able to see the items just here. Information captured can also be analysed further using the analytics available at the team folder and home folder level. In this example, I've set up a chart to view the breakdown of permits which are open and closed. Photos can be attached to a permit when required, and all of these photos can be found in the Photos tab within your team folders. Photo tags can be created and applied for easy filtering when looking for specific images. GPS locations can also be captured when the photos are taken through the Dashpivot mobile app. If you need external personnel to sign off on your document, they can be added into your Dashpivot workspace in the Users section underneath the Visitors tab. With this, you can control their permissions and access, similar to how you would with your internal team. Permits can be created and submitted using our Dashpivot mobile app. The forms are organised in a workflow, just like on the web access. You can continue working on existing forms, or you can start a new one using the plus button. The Dashpivot app also includes a contactless sign-in process. Simply click one button to scan the workers onto the permit using the free Sitemate ID. This will then populate into a table with their name, company, signature, date, time, and location of where they were scanned. Workers scanned using the free Sitemate ID will also receive a read-only copy of the form straight onto their device. Photos can be taken directly on the app, or you can choose to upload them from your device gallery. Once taken or uploaded, they can be marked up to highlight specific details. And if you've created photo tags, you can apply them during this step for easy searching later on. Drawings or any PDF files that have been attached to the form can also be marked up using the app. This is useful for signing, highlighting, or annotating specific parts of the document. Once completed, if you need to share a copy of this document with others right away, you don't need to use a computer to export it. Instead, you can send it as a PDF file via email directly from the app. The mobile and tablet app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, and Power BI using our integration product Flowsite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your permit data from Dashpivot to your preferred data storage or other tools. Try Dashpivot for permit management today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.